Okay, next plumbing video is replace these fountains with the proper spout so you can fill up the bottles without putting your mouth over them for hygiene. Same as this one over here. To do that, you've got to take the bottom off, which is security screws with a little tiny Allen key. I'll show you that in a minute. So these are the keys you're using. You can focus on that. There we go. And the screws are quite straightforward to do. So what we do then, we've done it. And then with this one, so we have two problems. This one is a 50mm adapter, which has been capped off there, down to a 10mm, and it seems to have just stopped with this button. So I'm going to disassemble all this will come out and up there, and we'll take that off, and we will fit a new one, and I'll show you that one in a sec as well over there. Okay, so I've undone that, and the problem with this one was that the actual pipe coming from there, if you can see that, snapped. It's just corroded away. So I'll undo that now, take all this away, dispose of this, and we'll put a new fountain if it fits in this one. I have to re-drill it. Okay, with a bit of gentle persuasion, that's out. So let's check the new ones out and have a look, see if they fit. Okay, look, got the flexi hoses, hope they're going to fit. They do fit this end because it's 3/8 like I said. But before we do anything, I think we better give these a bit of a clean because they are disgusting. Right, okay. Okay, getting there. Good old-fashioned tiff. What is it called? Good stuff, I found this in the cupboard. Liff. Why Liff? Why did they change the name? Anyway, clean all does the job. Look, so I've just got this bit more to scrub here. Stubborn stain, this one. That will get him off. Okay, so next job is, can't get some of that off. It really is bad. It seems to have eaten away at the stainless steel. Anyway, next thing is to drill a hole for that pin. And that's it. Ready to fit. And because it's stainless steel, you need to go as slow and use some WD-40, and you'll find you eventually will get through this. It's a bit of a stainless steel is a bit of a bugger to drill. Okay, I'm going to put a drop of oil to see if this works. I don't know if it's worked. I think we need the WD-40 better. Yep, that didn't work. The oil did work in the end with a better drill bit. New one. And then take the brass nut off. Fit the tap with a bit of luck. It fits okay. Oh, like a dream. And then you've got to get underneath and then put the brass screw underneath. I'll go and get a tool for that as well. Okay, tighten that up using this clever little device. Never used one before. Universal tightening tool. I don't know what you call it. And then if you want to tighten, you have it that way around. And if you want to loosen, look at this. It's so clever. Flip it over. And it'll loosen it. I love it. And it's long reach. Look at the length of that. So that's what we've done. I've just tightened it up. That's not going anywhere. Now let's see if the flexi hose will flip now. To flip now. Okay, so we only have to hand tighten that. Sorry, my hand's in the way. And we can use the special tool as well. Whoop. Sorry guys. So just pop him, and we're in Titan. Is that Titan mode? Yeah. So just put him around like so. No, that's not Titan mode, that's loosen. That's Titan mode. Pop him round. It's not the best fit, not because of the tool, because of the shape of the basin, really. Oh, let me do it by hand. Right. You got the picture. Alright, I'll get that tightened up. Okay, so what we'll do now, that's all tightened up. What we'll do with the earth strap is, because it's got a connector on like so, I'll change the connector, put a circlip on it, and it'll go to one of these screws up here, straight to the body. Alright, that's that one done. Okay, I'll give this a clean. The difference with this one is the oval was more this side, as you can see, where the original hole was, so I've had to redo it and put it like that. It doesn't really matter, it still does the same job. So I'm just going to give this a bit of a clean now. Get back to you in a sec. Oh, there's something therapeutic about when you clean something which is disgusting and then it comes out like new. Let's have a look in a sec. Okie doke, let's get it together. Doesn't that look better? Okay, number 2 done. Oh, nice and clean. Number 1 I did. Time to put the water on and see if we've got any leaks. I hope not. Well, water's on. Should we give him a test? Why is that blocked? I'm going to have to look into that one then. Oh, there's always something, isn't there? It's probably, oh, it's a lot of gunk in there, look, can you see? It's not been cleaned out for a while, but we don't seem to have any leaks that I can see. Let's have a look underneath. Pretty good. Chuffed. Nope, we're good. Brilliant. That's great. Okay. So I've got another, we've got a special one for that. Yeah, okay. I'll get that out and give it a clean. Oh, blimey, that's a long screw. That's it, I'll give that a clean. There we go. That's it, I'll put it all back together, I'll put the bases on. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. And if you didn't like the video, hit that dislike button twice. That would be great. Okay, take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you would. That would be great.